Hello and welcome back. In this video I will show you how to create double outlines in Affinity 3 and also as gradient outlines. I have already duplicated these two. This is text and this is a shape. First we go to the layer panel and click on the FX symbol. Then a window opens. Then click on outline. You can also move the window. Let me first change the color of the shape to white. Here you can set the radius of the first outline. The default color is black. I will leave it at 10 pixels. Here you can set whether the outline is outside the shape, inside or in the middle. But I will leave it at outside. And here you can switch from solid color to gradient. To do this, click on the color stop and then on the color below and select any color, and do the same with the other color stop. But for this example I only use solid color. To add another outline, click on the plus symbol. The upper one is the first outline. Therefore, click on the lower one and change the color. You can also use the color picker. You can't see it yet because it has the same pixel size. As I said, here is black and here is the green outline. If I now set it to about 20 pixels, you can see the second outline. You can also enter a specific number. Now click on the plus symbol again to add another outline. Change it to black or whatever color you want. Here I set it to about 30 pixels. Add another outline and change it to green. I set it to 40 pixels. And I change it to orange. This setting is very important for scaling. I will disable it again and show you what happens when I make my shape smaller. My shape is getting smaller, but the outlines remain the same size, which looks very cool. But to avoid this, enable scale with objects. It's also possible to mix solid colors and gradients, depending on your design. Here you can also change the angle. With these settings you can experiment. We can also change the opacity and blend mode. For the text, the steps are the same as here, but so we don't have to repeat everything. You can simply copy with Command C or Ctrl C on Windows, then select your other text or shape and go to Edit and then Paste. And here you can either insert the entire style, font and size, etc. or in my case just the effect. And since it's text, you can change the color of individual words or letters. And that's it. If you like it, please subscribe. And thanks for watching.